So my name is Tom Campaniello. I started, this year's my 40th workshop anniversary. So it's, I got in 1978 and come to Mount Pleasant in 84, 86. And I've been here ever since as a crash repairer. And I started on my own, myself, and that was it. And then my wife Lucia helped me along and dismantled vehicles, and slowly we grew to where we are today. But it's taken, like I said, 40 years. The changes, the client relationship you get after all those years of knowing people.
And what do you most dislike about the industry?
Mainly insurance companies. Yeah. Well, in my day, in my time, it was Tom Howard. I was only a boy, and he actually helped me along and taught me a lot of great things during the journey where I am today. And another one was would have been George Demetrius. He was an assessor that was worked for a company, and he taught me how to get the quotes right, basically. First car was HR Holden. It was a rollover. I was a first-year apprentice, repaired it, and that was my first car that I got around in. Well, current cars are no big deal because I got that many of the bloody things that you. My dream car would be I don't know. I've had my dream car of Ferraris, Porsches, Ferraris. That's my dream car. But going forward, I think I want to go back to a Gemini or a Holden HR or HQ or something. That's it.